Working on this Honda Accord, and it's got this crusty old nasty positive battery post cable. I want to change this out. If you guys start experiencing in your Honda, be that Accord, Pilot, Ridgeline, Civic, an Acura, MDX, and it's just shutting off on you, what I've seen happen a lot of times is that this is either really corroded or you have a loose connection here. So you need to check this battery cable on a pretty regular basis. Every 3 months you should check and make sure that the connection is tight. These should be a 10 millimeter. It's actually not. It's a different size. It's like half inch here. This one should be 10 millimeter. But if you experience it's just shutting off on you for no apparent reason, always check your battery terminal. So when you have all this corrosion, it's best if you put on gloves like this one here. This is a catch glove. This is probably the best glove I've found for working on cars. I love this glove. This is a 9 millimeter orange glove. Keeps your hands nice protected. I've actually been able to use this about 3 or 4 times before it's totally ripped and shredded, but these are great gloves. So don't get this stuff on your skin. It can burn you. Also clothing. If you get this on your clothes, it'll put a hole in there. But sometimes this original connector from Honda actually gets destroyed and you need to replace it. I went to the dealership and asked them how much this wire would cost, and they said $54, and I said no way. So I went to my local O'Reilly Auto Parts and picked this up for I think $6. Super Start brass terminal. One modification I'm going to do is I'm going to put a locking washer between the nut and the battery post itself, just so I have a nice secure connection. But if you have the original one on here, you need to get the old one off. Well, I'm saying original from like Honda, and it's corroded or broken, you need to get it off. But you need to save as much wiring as you can here to have enough wiring to go into the new battery post. This one is from O'Reilly. This is a Super Start brass terminal, 08505. They also have a gold one that you could buy, which is really cool. I'll put pictures of it up right now. But let's get this old one off. Make sure you have the radio code to your radio before you take this battery apart, because you will lose all your radio presets, and it'll also ask you to put in the new radio or a radio code if you disconnect the battery. Be careful when you're working on this. If you touch the wrench to something ground on the car, it will spark. Okay, so to clean all this up, your best bet is to use they sell battery cleaners, battery terminal cleaners at O'Reilly AutoZone. You can use baking soda and water at a 50-50 mix to help clean this up, but I'm just going to get a brush this off, and then clean up this terminal with a terminal brush cleaner. A couple things I want to show you. If you get a new battery, the one that's not OE original from wherever you might get your car from, Honda, Toyota, Lexus, Acura, and your battery post isn't getting tight enough, you might need a battery post shim. This actually works mostly, you'll see this mostly on positive terminals where you can't get the battery clamp to tighten down all the way. It almost, you tighten, and it just won't get tight. So you might need a shim like this. I got some battery cleaner here. Then I have my battery post cleaner here as well. So this is for using on the terminals, and then this is using on the inside of the battery cable, like that. So let's get this one off, and then we'll get rocking and rolling. And these things are really corroded. Okay, so then we got the Permatex battery cleaner. Spray some of that there. All right, after that's done, we'll put all the water in. We'll put some water on it. Gonna use this, clean this terminal off. Pouring some water on here. Get all that nastiness off. Don't let that stuff get on your skin. Okay, now that we have the battery cleaned up, let's go ahead. Let's tackle this. Battery post terminal. So to get this old one off, you got these up here, probably 1/2 inch again. 11 millimeter works. These things weren't even tight. Just removing the old one. Okay, and that's what it looks like. It's trash. Do I have enough wire? I do have enough wire. I'm just going to cut this off. We have both wire. I'm just going to cut this off and start brand new with fresh wire. So to do this, I have a pair of dikes, and a razor blade. I'm gonna use a razor blade to cut the insulation off. Just kind of remember how much copper wire you had exposed here. So when it comes time to do it again, you can kind of match it up. Throw that one away. And cut this one off. Now peel back the insulation. Just go around the circle. Cut the insulation. You don't want to go too deep. And don't cut your finger open either. This cable's pretty worn. Looks like there's corrosion this far down. Yeah, see, there's corrosion. Can you see that green stuff? That's all corrosion. I mean, it looks better than what it was. This thing has been corroded for a long time, or has been having corrosion happen for a long time. Should be a nice copper color, but instead I'm getting this. Well, it's kind of discerning. So I guess if you're in a pinch, you could do this, but if you're planning on keeping the car, or you don't feel comfortable doing this, I would replace the wire. So just going, sorry if my hand's blocking it, just going around this wire, cutting the insulation off. Yep, that one's corroded too. Figured it would be. So far we've cleaned this battery terminal cable off, which is still pretty corroded. See all that? Should not look like that. And this one as well. This battery is a little stinky, so this battery might be on its last leg. But if you can, or you have the money, I think it'd be best to go ahead and replace these two battery cables. But let's keep proceeding, and I'll show you how to do this. So open this up, do a dry run, make sure it'll fit, and it will. Now next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this nut off. I'm going to put a locking washer right here, right in between these two, right here, right where the knife is. Okay, got the locking washer on there, right there. I do this so that it can't back itself off and it'll stay put. Okay, taking these loose, 11 millimeter. And then we just bring in the cables and lock them down into place. Okay, let's put that there. Try to get all the remaining threads in. Now bring in the smaller one. Okay, got both of them in place. That'd be best if you had a ratchet and an 11 millimeter socket to bring these down. Okay, well, I'm holding these two. Just the last few turns to tighten this down. Okay, that's down, that's done. Give those a tug, those aren't going anywhere. Okay, push this down all the way you can, as far as you can. You might need to get a little hammer, tap that down. This wire is live right now, and so is the wrench, so make sure you don't touch the ground while you're doing this. The new nut is a 13 millimeter. Looking good there. So right here on the edge of your screen, go ahead and clean up the inside of this terminal. That's what this side's for. And I'll come in and tighten that up, 10 millimeter. All right, that's good, that's good. All right, guys, if you have a really badly corroded terminal, go ahead and replace it with a new one, or you can replace the whole line. Let's see if this thing fires up. Fired up beautifully. Hey, when I was doing the hammer, make sure you don't, I was using a little penny hammer. Don't use a big hammer on this because you can break the terminal on the battery loose. So just be careful when you do that. Looks a lot better, huh, than what it did before. So there you go, guys. Hope this helps you out. If it does, please subscribe to Bundys Garage on YouTube. Brass the new battery terminal. This one is Superstart 08509. This one is Superstart 05. I'll get this right. There you go. So if you have really batted, Alexa, what's the best car repair channel on YouTube?
Bundys Garage is the best car repair video channel on YouTube.